The world of home entertainment is currently locked in a silent war, and the battlefield is sitting right under your television. You might think you're getting the best experience from that built-in smart TV interface or that $20 dongle you bought on sale, but you are leaving half the experience on the table. Today, we are tearing down the curtain on the undisputed king of the living room, the Apple TV 4K. This isn't just a streaming box. It is a high-performance computer designed for one single purpose: to make every other way of watching TV look like a relic from the past. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've ever felt the frustration of a laggy interface, apps that crash when you're just trying to watch a movie, or a remote that feels like it was designed as a puzzle, you are not alone. Most people settle for mediocrity because they don't realize what they're missing. But once you see the Apple TV 4K in action, once you feel the snappiness of the A20 Bionic chip and see the color accuracy of a professionally calibrated screen, there is no going back. We are going to explore why this device has become the secret weapon for home theater enthusiasts and why Apple is doubling down on a hardware category that everyone else is trying to turn into a cheap commodity. Let's start with the why. Why does a company like Apple care about a box that sits in your cabinet? The answer lies in the ecosystem. Your TV is the largest screen in your life, yet for most, it's the dumbest. Apple looked at the landscape of smart TVs, filled with data tracking software, intrusive ads, and processors that struggle to load a simple menu, and they decided to build a premium sanctuary. When you boot up an Apple TV 4K, you aren't greeted by a billboard for a detergent brand or a random show you have no interest in. You are greeted by a clean, fluid, and incredibly fast interface. This speed isn't just for show. It changes the way you interact with content. Switching between Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube happens instantly. There is no loading bar for the OS. It is effortless. But the hardware is only half the story. The real magic happens in the pixels. Most users don't realize that their streaming quality is being throttled by their hardware. The Apple TV 4K supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, but it does so with a level of processing power that ensures the highest possible bitrate. This means deeper blacks, more vibrant highlights, and a level of detail that makes your 4K TV actually earn its name. And then there is the color balance feature. By simply using your iPhone's light sensor against your TV screen, the Apple TV 4K can calibrate your television's output to industry-standard colors. It fixes the blue tint or the oversaturated look that plagues most living rooms, and it does it in 30 seconds. The Siri remote was once the most hated piece of tech in the world, but the redesigned aluminum version is a masterpiece of ergonomics. It's heavy enough to feel premium, but slim enough to be sleek. The touch-enabled clickpad gives you the precision of an old-school iPod click wheel, allowing you to scrub through a 2-hour movie with frame-by-frame accuracy. It's a level of control that makes you realize how much you've been struggling with inferior remotes for years. Now, let's talk about the hidden power of this device. It's not just for movies. It is a gaming console, a fitness hub, and a smart home controller all in one. With Apple Arcade, the Apple TV 4K transforms into a powerful gaming machine that rivals dedicated consoles for casual and family gaming. You can pair a PlayStation DualSense or an Xbox controller via Bluetooth and enjoy high-fidelity games with zero lag. Then there is Apple Fitness Plus.